Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to use Samsung TV without remote. Let's go. There are several ways to use a TV without remote control. First way, use keyboard wired or wireless. Connect the keyboard to TV and control via the arrows. Second way, Samsung SmartThings app. Install SmartThings app. Open app. Devices. Add device. Select TV. Connect your TV. Use SmartThings remote. Third way, virtual remote control. Use any virtual remote. You can download it in the Play Store or App Store. Fourth way, use power button. You can turn the TV on and off. You can switch channels. You can change volume and you can change source. That's it. Now you know how to use Samsung TV without remote. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.